So I did a video on the whole Flawless in 5, but I thought I'd do a couple little videos and kind of break down what's actually in the kit and what did I show you on the video yesterday. So you'll have the choice, if you do the Flawless in 5 makeup kit, of the Dew Skin or the Twin Skin. Dew Skin is a tinted moisturizer, FPS 20. There's 5 different shades as of right now, but wink, wink, I would imagine there might be more by the end of the year. If not sooner, I bet in the next couple months. Dew Skin, I'm a number 2. That's what's on my face right now. And on top of that, I put a little bit of this Twin Skin. Now this is our brand new foundation. This is kind of a game changer in the whole foundation world because it has 9 times the amount of hyaluronic in it that it did before. So now we're at a treatment level hyaluronic acid in your product. So while you're wearing it, you're also working on your skin. It's gonna feel smoother, a little more plumped up, more refined. It's gonna even out your skin tone, brighten your skin. It's just a really great kind of all-in-one product as it's working on your skin and it's your foundation at the same time. And it's just light as a feather. We also changed this bottle to glass as it was plastic. A few 100,000 tubes from going to a landfill by switching to glass and changing our environmental impact. So these are the 3 ways that I apply this Twin Skin foundation. The first way is you could use it with your fingers. Just put a little bit there, either on the back of your hand or on your clean palm, and just put it on with your fingers. Start on the middle of your face. The other way you can put it on if you want like medium coverage is with a flat foundation brush. That's gonna give you a little less coverage and a little more control than your fingers will. If you want really light coverage, which is what I like, just really natural look, that's what I did here. You're gonna use a retractable brush. Really any retractable brush will do, but it's the kind that does this, right? You're gonna put it there in the middle of the palm of your hands, make little circles, dot, 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 dot. You're gonna make circles around the middle of your face and then blend in to your neck. And then do it down here too if you want. And remember, it has hyaluron in it, so you're working on your skin while you're wearing it, so you can put a little anywhere you wanna work on your skin. Now there are 9 additional shades than before. Before there were 9 tint skin shades. Now there are 18 twin skin shades. And there's a few different categories. So if you're on the website and you're like, how do I figure out what color I am? The first thing you wanna do is you wanna find what category you are. Are you light? Are you tan? Are you dark? Or are you medium? Find that category, and then within that category, we'll be able to figure out what color you are. I also have a little app that we're testing out to match your skin. So if you need help, let me know, I might be able to use that. So that's the first step of Flawless in 5. Thanks, guys.